Hi, Deirdre here again, just giving you another example of how to use absolute cell addressing. So in this screen here, we have different bed prices. So we've got single bed, double bed and king bed, and we've got the price, and then we've got the delivery charge depending on the size of the bed. Okay, but in this case here, we're getting a discount amount. So for this particular special offer, there's €50 off each of the beds, regardless of its size. So the total then is going to be the price plus delivery minus the discount amount. Okay, so it'll be the price plus delivery minus the discount amount. And when we drag it over, we'll want the 220 to change to 330 and the 350 to 30. But we won't want the 50 to move. So we have to hold the cell with the 50 in it steady. So we'll start off and say equals the cell with the 200 in it, which is B4, plus B5 minus, okay, and the discount amount. But we're going to hold the discount amount steady. So remember, after you've clicked on it, press your F4 button and the dollar goes before the C and the dollar goes before the 1, which means as I drag it, it'll hold steady. Okay, the B4 and the B5 will move along to C4 and C5 and D4 and D5. Okay, but C1 won't move. So that's what we want. That's perfect. And so now when we drag it across, you can see, I'll just look at the last one here, the two cells here, but the cell with the 50 in it didn't move.